if you're planning on buying crypto, the two biggest platforms that most investors start with are Coinbase and Robinhood. But these platforms operate very differently. One is built specifically for crypto and gives you full control over your assets. The other focuses on ease, simplicity, and zero commission trading. So today we're breaking down everything you need to know: security, fees, coin selection, wallets, features, user experience, and which platform is ultimately better depending on what type of investor you are. Stick around to the end because we'll give you a clear direction for both beginners and experienced crypto investors. The purpose of each platform: first, we have crypto platform Coinbase. Coinbase was designed from day one to be a dedicated cryptocurrency platform. That means you get hundreds of assets, staking support, advanced charts, Web3 tools, and wallet integrations that allow you to send and receive crypto freely. If you want the full crypto ecosystem, DeFi, NFTs, on-chain transfers, cold storage, Coinbase gives you the infrastructure to do it. Robinhood is an all-in-one brokerage. Robinhood is a brokerage first, and crypto is just one category inside the app. You can buy stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto all in one place. This design makes it extremely simple for beginners, but its crypto features are intentionally limited. Robinhood focuses on clean design and fast trading. It's not really as deep. Now let's take a quick look at security. Which one protects your crypto better? First, let's go over Coinbase security. Coinbase uses a layered security model designed specifically for digital assets, institutional grade cold storage, two-factor authentication, hardware key support, and withdrawal restrictions, and whitelisting. A fully audited system for on-chain transfers. Most importantly, Coinbase gives you full control over your crypto, meaning you can transfer it to hardware wallets like Ledger. Now let's take a quick look at Robinhood security. Robinhood provides strong security for a brokerage platform. There's device approval, 2FA, biometric logins, and insurance for certain custody conditions. However, Robinhood limits how much you can do with your crypto. Historically, users couldn't withdraw crypto at all. Even now, withdrawals are allowed, but more restricted. There is no broad staking, no Web3 support, and no deep wallet customization. So if we're just looking at security, Coinbase is recommended. Now let's discuss wallet freedom and crypto ownership. This is one of the biggest differences. Coinbase offers real crypto ownership. When you buy on Coinbase, you can transfer crypto on-chain. You can also move assets to hardware wallet, as well as your Coinbase wallet for Web3. You can send and receive crypto globally. And finally, you can stake eligible assets. Now, on the other hand, Robinhood limits your control. With Robinhood, you can only trade a small list of major assets. Withdrawals become available only more recently. You cannot directly use Web3 apps. you cannot connect to DeFi protocols, and wallet control is limited and simplified. It's something all investors should pay attention to. If your strategy includes holding, transferring, staking, or self-custody, Coinbase is the clear choice. Coinbase offers a variety of supports. It actually supports hundreds of assets, including blue chip crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, just to name a few. And it has a layer 1 and layer 2 ecosystems, DeFi tokens, stable coins, and newer emerging projects. And also game FI. If you want to diversify beyond the basics, Coinbase offers much more diversity. Robinhood keeps it simple. Robinhood supports only a small handful of assets, mainly Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, and a few additional others. There are no niche tokens, no small caps, no stable coins like USDC or USDT. So Coinbase really easily wins as far as a larger asset library. Now let's discuss fees and which platform is cheaper. As far as the Coinbase fees, Coinbase fees can vary depending on the platform version you use. The standard Coinbase inference charges higher fees. Coinbase Advanced higher overall fees. The Coinbase Advanced, however, uses a maker-taker model and is much more cost-effective for active traders. Advanced is almost always the better option. Now let's take a quick look at Robinhood fees. Robinhood advertises zero commission crypto trading, but you have to remember the spread is where they earn revenue. That means you may pay slightly more per trade than you actually think. It's simple, built in already to the price. So you always want to double check that if you're using the Robinhood app. So the verdict on the fees is, for beginners, Robinhood is cheaper. For active traders, Coinbase Advanced is generally more competitive. For long-term crypto investors, the fee difference is small compared to security and ownership benefits. Now let's discuss features and tools. Let's go over the Coinbase features real quick. Coinbase gives you a full crypto ecosystem, staking, advanced charting, professional level trading tools, on-chain transfers, Web3 wallet integrations, cold storage options, earn programs, and detailed tax support. Robinhood features include simplicity, fast trading, a very clean interface, fractional shares, limited crypto education content, stock and options trading in the same app. For multi-asset investing, Robinhood is convenient. For crypto depth, Coinbase is superior. Now let's go over user experience. Coinbase offers clear navigation for crypto-focused actions: buy, sell, transfer, stake, and connect wallets. The platform is built around crypto vocabulary and crypto movement. Robinhood is smoother and more simplified, especially for beginners. Everything is based on simplicity with no overwhelming charts or tools. Really, Robinhood's for the beginners, and Coinbase is for crypto investors. Now let's cover staking, rewards, and earning. Coinbase provides staking and several major assets, allowing users to earn yield directly through the platform. Robinhood offers minimal staking options, and not all states support them. So the clear winner there is Coinbase. Now let's cover which platform you should use. Coinbase is your winner if you want real crypto ownership, if you plan to move assets to a hardware wallet, if you want staking or yield, if you want access to more coins, if you want advanced crypto tools, if you want integration with Web3. Choose Robinhood if you're a beginner, if you want a simple interface, if you want to trade stocks and crypto together, if you want zero commission trades. You only plan to hold major coins, Robinhood might be okay for you. Coinbase is the better choice for serious crypto investors, long-term holders, and anyone who wants control over their digital assets. And Robinhood is better for beginners or investors who want simple, all-in-one experience. Both platforms have their own strengths. You got to decide which one's best for you. Hope everyone's enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe, and we'll make another video next week. Follow for more.